Hey, so in this video, I'll be showing the basics on how to automate AI in a custom TA mission. And right here, I'm just making a simple map, and I'll be laying out some units. Make sure to select the units for player 1 and player 2. It'll make it easier down the line. So once you finish that, you'll have a .ufo file, which contains the map and all of the map data. I downloaded a custom mission off of TAUniverse for reference. So you'll see that on the right, and you'll see my map on the left. Here you'll want to make a new folder with your map name. Then we'll use the HPI view to open up the .ufo file and extract that into the new folder.
Somebody put me back in the fridge.
So here I'm trying to mimic the folder structure of the existing mission on the right to mine on the left. This file is basically what shows up in the campaign list. I forgot to make it a .tdf file, and that's easy to fix. This is the message that will show up in the briefing room. Make this whatever you want. This file dictates what units are allowed on the map, and it should be automatically generated with your map file. If it's empty, you can grab one from another custom mission. On the maps folder, you should have two files. One is the .tnt, which is your map, and the other one is the .ota, and that is the meat and potatoes of where you will automate your AI. Some of the major things you want to edit right here are the mission name, the brief. Make sure that you name that the same name as your briefing file. At the bottom of this list, you can put whether the game ends depending on all mobile units die, the commander is killed, all units are killed, and 0 is false and 1 is true. You also want to put the useonly units file name right there, and that has to be exact as well. Also, I'm deleting these schemas because I'm not going to mess with the other difficulties at the moment. So you'll see I custom name all of the fusion reactors, and later I'll custom name the Krogoths. That way I can give them all individual automated tasks. So you'll notice I bounce back and forth between the map maker and the notepad file. And basically I'm grabbing the XY coordinates on the map maker at the bottom, and then using those in the notepad file to tell the units where to go. This piece of code right here will tell Krogoth 1 to wait 20 seconds and then move to those XY coordinates, and then it will attack fusion reactor 1. I basically copy and paste this code for the other Krogoths, and then I change the wait time, the coordinates, and which fusion reactors they attack. And you'll see that play out when I show the mission. My basic commands here are, I'm going to have each Krogoth attack a separate fusion reactor, and they're going to wait so you can see them kind of staggered. And then you'll see advanced aircraft guarding those Krogoths. You'll also see a bunch of hurricanes in the bottom right attack the boats in the middle. And then at some point, I think like at the minute and a half mark, the enemy commander will self-destruct. And so yeah, you can put a bunch of these commands in a row. A is attack, W is wait, G is guard. I'm not sure how many you can put, but I imagine you can put as many as you want, and the unit will follow those commands all over the map. So last but not least, you'll want to use the HPI packer to pack up the mission folder, and the destination will be the TA directory. And after that, we're good to go. It's the mission I created. Here's all the text from the brief.txt file. So first we'll notice all of the planes in the bottom right. Their only task was to patrol. They are bombers, but not quite sure yet how to get them to bomb. Next up, we've got Krogoth 1. He's programmed to wait 20 seconds and then attack Fusion 1. The other two Krogoths are staggered time-wise just behind the first Krogoth, and they will attack the adjacent fusion plants up north. I also programmed the construction planes to each guard a Krogoth, so they'll follow them all the way up and heal them as they get attacked. The AI commander is also set to self-destruct after about a minute, and you'll see the camera pan down there.